This was fixed. We have this NEXTBOOK tablet, this one here, and I guess the model is NEXTBOOK FLEXX Gen. So the customer got this charger. This is a universal, and I think without they know that they need to adjust this one at the 5 volt. Maybe they put like a higher voltage, like 12.9 or something like that, and tablet won't turn on anymore and won't charge or anything. So the first thing that I did, I just plugged the tablet to my power supply. I set up the power supply to 5 volt to check why it's not charging. And look, when I touch in the positive, it jumped to the 4, like 3.7, and so I did look what spot is getting hot here. So I'm gonna put some alcohol and look at that charging chip, the power manager chip. Look how is the alcohol acting on it. So that chip is gonna need to be changed. So I have another tablet. This is a RCA. It has the same chip. Is a AXP2H8C. Is the same as this one. And I'm gonna remove this one to over there and see if that's gonna fix the problem. This is the chip that I changed, the power manager IC, and you can see the tablet now is turning on. So that means it's fixed. I don't see the tablet charging. Okay, yep, it just this plug here is not fit perfect, so the tablet is charging now. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next one.